My name is Ajeng Dhiranastiti. I am from PUSRI Elementary School. Today I will tell you my story about the intelligent rabbit and the greedy lion. Do you want to hear my story? I can't hear you. Okay, let's start. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there lived a greedy lion. All the animals were scared of him because he killed and ate all the animals in large number when he was not hungry. The animals realized that not few of them gonna be alive, so the animal had a humble request. Oh, mighty lion, may I ask you something? You have to just stay on your place. So we're gonna give you one animal for one day, so you can also survive. Okay, I agree that. The lion just agreed that. So in that day, one animal for one meal for one day. Now, this is tell the young rabbit. Young rabbit is very clever because he wants to get rid of the lion from the jungle. So he gonna kill the lion. So the rabbit walks so slowly, and he even slaps on the wall. At the rabbit is arrived at the place, the lion roared. Why you're so slow? You're too small to eat. I don't have a lesson for the animal. I will kill them. And the rabbit said inquiringly, oh, my mighty lion, may I tell you something? The animal just gave you and sent you 6 rabbit to feed you, but on the way we found another lion past us. The lion said, he is the new king in this forest. And he preyed on the lion and the rabbits. The lion is very angry with that explanation. The lion said, where is that lion stand? The rabbit showed it is in the deep well. The lion looked down at the well and he found his reflection himself. And he jumped down and her head is hit on the rock. The rabbit just saved the forest and get out the lion from the forest. The end. Thank you, judges. Oh yeah, I almost forgotten. The moral lesson from the story is the intelligence can defeat the strength and power. Okay, thank you for your attention. My name is Ajeng Dhiranastiti Widagdo. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.